Hi friends, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support means a lot. Now, let's dive into today's topic. Ever tried assembling a precision component only to find it doesn't fit, despite triple checking your measurements? Imagine this. You're in the workshop, you've machined a part to spec, but when it goes for assembly or inspection, it's slightly off. Not by much, maybe just a few microns. But in precision engineering, that tiny error can be a big deal. What went wrong? Often, the issue starts with the very surface you're using to inspect or mark parts. If the base you're working on isn't perfectly flat or stable, every tool and measurement you use on top of it gets thrown off. That's exactly where the surface plate comes into play, your foundation for precision. A surface plate, whether made of granite or cast iron, is a highly flat, stable reference surface used for inspection, marking, layout, and calibration work. It's not a tool you use on a part, it's the surface you build precision from. These plates are meticulously manufactured to tight tolerances, offering a reliable base to measure flatness, check squareness, and ensure your dial gauges or height gauges are giving you true readings. Granite surface plates are favored for their stability, non-corrosive nature, and resistance to wear, while cast iron ones are traditional and can be rescraped. Both types reduce vibration and thermal distortion, major causes of measurement inaccuracy. Key benefits: rock-solid accuracy, long-term durability, and improved consistency in inspection tasks. You'll find them in tool rooms, quality control labs, and workshops where precision is non-negotiable. Without a proper surface plate, you're basically building precision on quicksand. So, if you're serious about accurate measurements and quality machining, a surface plate isn't just helpful, it's essential. Hi friends, if this video made things easier to understand, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps us grow this channel and continue sharing practical insights for professionals in manufacturing and inspection. And if you like this clear, hands-on explanation, be sure to check out our previous video on the thickness gauge. We covered how it works, where it's used, and shared helpful tips for accurate thickness measurement, all explained in the same simple and relatable style to support your daily work.